Hello! As many of you already know, I'm a major Ariana Grande fan, so I am going to attempt, I don't know what I'm going to do yet, but I'm going to attempt to do an Ariana Grande makeup tutorial! She's super beautiful. I don't look anything like her at all. But I'll see if I can recreate some kind of everyday wear look that maybe anybody can do, hopefully. I'll do my best. So the first thing that I used is that new primer I got. It's a little bit, it's very thick. Maybe it's just like the first couple applications of it. I don't know, I find it a little greasy to the touch, but maybe it will make everything just glide on nicely. We'll see about that. I'm going to start with a little bit of a contour. Still ain't clean. Gotta get this frickin' hair out of my face. Ah! Gotta get that all smoothed out. I picked the wrong color. I always do this, I guess. I guess that's just how I apply my makeup. I guess I'm just a bitch. So I've got a good little contour happening. Now I need to add the lighter part of it. I'm going to use like the yellowy part because she's very glowy. So I'm going to use more of the yellow than the lighter colors. I think that will really bring out the glow. Glow for flow. Oh, lame. I love how she just like looks like an adorable alien. Actually, this primer is letting everything just glide on. I'm gonna add some of my under eye concealer. I'm gonna cover this little thing. Get some of the bags. Lord knows she don't look like she's 40. I guess I don't look that old, but I wish I was rich with a glam squad. I'm gonna go over that with my regular classic ivory foundation because I barely use anything else. Slap it on. Cause I hate brushes. I don't really hate brushes, but I don't know. I hate when they like leave a streak. I should just get a beauty blender. I know. I know. I'm just going to go over top of that with that lighter shade and some of the areas I would like to be highlighted. Like she says in the song, my skin is gleaming. I know, you've seen it. She says her skin is gleaming. She wasn't kidding. We gotta gleam. Let's get gleaming. Just gonna pop some powder on top of that to kind of set it. I'm gonna go in with a little homemade from Old Eyeshadow, some sparkle, because I'm gonna get my glow on. If only I were 25 again. Now I'm going to go in with a little contour. The powder, a powder contour on top just to emphasize. And this is just going to be a little dramatic, a little more dramatic than an everyday look, clearly. This might look like a lot of makeup because it is. She has a very cut jaw, so like she kind of has a little, gotta make my head look a little smaller because she has a tiny head. I'm going to do the smallest amount of blush. She like has some kind of, some just general glowage, so I'll just add a little bit of that, and then we're going full highlighter, full blown. Now I think I'm going to try and shape the brows. She has a very interesting brow shape. She kind of does them straight across. That will be an interesting journey. In order to do that, I'm going to just kind of take... It's like so hard to get this eyebrow to relax. Likes to be questioning everything. Okay, well, so far this is a disaster. These are the worst brows ever. I tried. They're just a little too dark for this look. Well, we'll see. I'll finish the eyes and we'll see if it can be fixed. I find that she usually does a pretty neutral eye. I'm just going to do a very basic brown, smoky, just a nice light brown on top. Oh, that's better. Not usually this intense, so I'm going to apply kind of like a shimmery pink on top. I can't tell if this is right, but her look is more based on her like cat eye. So let's not worry about this detail. Here's where it gets tricky. She's a very specific swoop. So I'm just gonna start with, we'll start with that. I'm nervous. All right, the moment of truth. This is make or break it, people. I would say it always seems to, it kind of goes like straight up. Oh, I think maybe it's not the worst thing I've ever done. Okay, number one, semi-success. I think we'll have to revisit just for the details, but not bad. Now I just have to match the other one. Okay, finally, I think they're not the worst. We need to add a serious lash. This girl's got some serious lashes because she's got some serious cash, like she says in her song. Just get a nice base before you put on your lashes. Okay, so now I'm gonna do a lash. Not before I do a couple more. I'm going to go for a full lash, right? Like, I'm using the same lashes I used in my first video, but I'm going to apply them like I did in my second video. So I'm going to put them kind of off to the side. I'd rather them start in the middle and then go off a little bit further than my natural lash, just to really play up the cat eye. Do I feel like a celebrity or what? Now for some sort of lip color. She experiments a little bit with color. She's super into like mauve right now, like a lavendery. Now we just need the pièce de résistance. All right. I'm using a scrunchie for some added volume. With the hair though. Oh, I'm like a little redhead Ariana. Not like, I really don't look like her at all, but it's like inspired by. Oh, I'm feeling very Ariana Grande now. I got some jewels on, got some ears. I just have to nail the nostril flare. What do you think? I think I did a pretty good job. Wow, I didn't expect it to come out like this. I think the biggest thing is the brows. Like, they really do remind me of her. A little more drama in here, and then that should be it. We'll be don't you worry about yeah. God has no witness, stop what I finished. Don't need no hold up, taking control of this kind of moment. Something about you. And we don't gotta think about nothing. Gonna get that ooh, ooh. That's the way you told me on. Bad decisions. I like the way you lick the door to heights unknown. Use cut, make everything taste like it is song. And you come through the sweetness, not even the bitter taste. Too hungry, you get it, get it, get it. You make me say, oh, whoa, twist it, twist it, twist it, twist it. Mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. I smile, I know, yeah. I know that I'm coming tonight. You know I'm coming tonight. Don't want to deny it anymore. Oh, baby. Tiffany's and bottles of bubbles. Girls with tattoos who like getting in trouble. I want it, I got it. I want it, I got it. You like my hair? She thinks, just put it. I see it, I like it. I want it, I got it. Sorry, you guys. I got a little bit carried away. Clearly, I had a little too much fun with this. Can you tell that I like her? I was literally born to be a diva. Well, I guess that's all for now. I got a little carried away there. Sorry about that. Thank you so much yet again for watching my videos. I want you to like, subscribe, tell all your friends how much fun you're having watching me. Right? Maybe? Thank you so much. See you next time.